Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you can't delete apps on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing you can try, just go to the settings, just open the settings, just open general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so you can also try another way. So just go to the general again in the settings, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iOS. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also just check another thing. So just open here screen time. Now you just need to scroll down to open content and privacy restrictions. Now you just need to enable this option, content and privacy restrictions, and here you will find iTunes and App Store purchase. So now you just need to check second option, deleting apps. So here you need to allow, because if you just tap on don't allow, it won't allow you to remove your apps. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.